How to set up your federal tax withholding in UCPath. The Federal Tax Withholding W-4 form is a crucial part of your employment paperwork as it guides UCR in determining the correct amount of federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. The W-4 form is completed when starting a new job or when your tax situation changes, and you need to update your withholding information for federal income taxes. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps needed to complete the federal W-4 withholding form. From your UCPath portal dashboard, navigate to the Income and Taxes menu. Under the Income and Taxes menu, select the View Overview button. The Income and Taxes page opens. Here you will find the Tax Withholding tile. Select the Update W-4 Withholding button. The W-4 Withholding Certificate page displays. There are several steps in this form. Your personal tax situation will determine how many of these steps you complete. Let's review each one in order to better understand which ones you need to complete. Step 1. Personal information. This section is straightforward. It contains your personal information, such as your name, address, social security number, and filing status. Notice that UCPath auto-populates your name, address, and social security number. Verify this information is correct. Under Filing Status, you will need to select one of the options under this section. There are 3 options to choose from. These include single or married filing separately, married filing jointly or qualifying surviving spouse, and head of household. Choose the one that reflects your situation accurately. For this example, we will select head of household. Next, please note, steps 2 through 4 are only necessary if they apply to you. If they do not apply, you can skip directly to the Submit button. Step 2, Multiple jobs or spouse works. Complete this step if you hold more than one job at a time, or if you are married filing jointly and your spouse also works. You can click the View Instructions link to view more information regarding Step 2. If this step applies to you, click the Multiple jobs or spouse works box. Step 3, Claim dependents. Complete this step if you have children or other dependents to claim. You can also include other tax credits in this step, such as education tax credits and the foreign tax credit. You can click the View Instructions link to view more information regarding Step 3. If this step applies to you, enter the corresponding information for each field. In the first field, you will multiply the number of dependent children under the age of 17 that you are claiming by $2,000. For example, if you claim 1 qualifying child, you will multiply 1 by $2,000 and thus enter $2,000 in the first field. In the second field, you will multiply the number of any other dependents that you are claiming by $500. This could be an older child or a qualifying relative. For example, if you claim 2 other dependents, you will multiply 2 by $500 and thus enter $1,000 in the second field. In the third field, enter the amount of other tax credits, if any, that you will be claiming. These other credits include educational tax credits or the foreign tax credit. The fourth field is auto-populated with the total amount entered above. Verify the information is correct. Step 4, Other adjustments. Complete Step 4 if it is applicable to you and you will be claiming other adjustments such as other income, deductions, and extra withholding. Click the View Instructions link for more information regarding this step. If Step 4 is not applicable to you, continue to the Submit button below. If you are completing this step, then click in the Other Income field and enter the corresponding information. Next, click in the Deductions field and enter the corresponding information. In the Extra Withholding field, enter the amount of additional money you want withheld each pay period. This extra withholding is optional and thus can be left blank. Please note, if you enter an amount in this field, it will be taken out every pay period. It is not the total amount taken for the year. Please verify you have entered the correct amount, if any, before you select the Submit button below. This amount, when taken out of your paycheck, is not refundable and cannot be returned. Claim exemption from withholding. If you are claiming exemption from withholding this year, complete only this step. To claim exemption from withholding, you will need to certify that you meet both conditions to claim exemption from tax withholding. Read the 2 conditions you need to meet in order to claim exempt. If you meet the conditions for exemption, do not complete any of the other steps above. Proceed to select the checkbox, then click the Submit button. If you completed steps 1 through 4, review all your information is correct and then click the Submit button. A confirmation message appears. Please note that changes may not be reflected on your next paycheck due to the timing of your changes. Next, click the OK button to continue. The W-4 withholding certificate page displays with your selections. You have now completed your federal tax withholding form in UCPath. A confirmation email is sent to the primary email address on your account. You can identify your primary email address from your dashboard under Personal Information. Be sure to view our other UCPath videos for help navigating your UCPath dashboard and other self-service features in the UCPath portal. Thank you.